Welcome back to my channel. Today is another bead with me. These are with the beads that I got from the BeeBeeCraft haul. Some of these beads that I use in this one are beads that I had, but the majority of what you will be seeing is at BeeBeeCraft. So and there's also a giveaway at the end of the video, so watch it and I will let you see the giveaway, and I hope you enjoy. So the giveaway, we have the 3 jewelry sets. The first one being this necklace right here, and the beads, and of course it has these earrings to match. And then the next necklace. So yeah, you will be, whoever wins this giveaway will be getting all 3 necklaces made in this video and earrings to go with it. This is the other next necklace. And of course the earrings that match that one as well. And here is the last necklace. Got the stars, can you see that? And then the earrings that match that as well. And there's more. I also have this Ipsy bag here with some sequins. And inside of it, of course, is makeup. We've got an eyeliner from Girl Tactic. This is the Precise Eyeliner Marker. And there you go. We have the Ofra Madison Miller palette. This, I'll open it so you can see it. This is the palette and the colors. It's highlight and blush. Then we have a full thing of Ico London Rock Out Lash Out Mascara. We have Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick from Siat London. This is Pin Up. Let me see if it shows the color on the tube or not. Yeah, there's the color. And the last thing in this is a lip crayon from Morphe in Soft. This is a Soft Matte in Thanks. And I'm pretty sure that's the color there, but let's pull this. Yeah, see, there's the in there. I'm not opening it because I want to keep it fresh for whoever wins. But those are all the items in the giveaway if you would like to win this. The directions, of course, are down below in the description, and it's pretty much the same as all my giveaways. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your favorite necklace, as well as the first part of your email address. Make sure you follow the link and do all the tasks there for entries. And you know, my giveaways are designed for my loyal subscribers. New subscribers are welcome, but I am looking for consistent engagement, and the winner is always random. So when you fill out that link, I will click on it and it will randomly select someone, and then I will go back and double check to make sure that they followed all the rules. And that is how my giveaways work. So if you'd like to win this giveaway, go ahead and leave your comment, and And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and good luck.